Guys, in our previous video, we created the labels and styles of surface profile has been completed. Now, in this chapter, we will learn that how to we create the layout profiles. This is the surface profiles, and we want to create the layout now. So I want to explain you what is the layout. Layout, do you remember very well? As per this alignment and profile, there a layout of our railway track. So we want to show here that railway track profile. Then we can calculate our earthwork, where is the excavation, where is the filling, this thing we can. So just for explaining purpose, we will create a layout profile here. So how to be profile, create layout profile? First you go to in home tab. Here this create design, and here is the profile and a section view. Just you click here, create a profile, create a multi-profile, project, object profile, that options are here. And another profile options here, create surface profile, already we completed. Profile creation tool, here we will use this one. As I told that one by one we will learn all the tools, how to they will using in the Civil 3D. So now mostly I'm explaining to you the main things, because I want to start a project. First we'll start maybe a dam project or a canal project. So you continue with me, because this all tutorials, all the videos are coming for the beginner peoples. So they will come with us to learn how to we create the project and complete that project. So this project mostly for the beginners. So here we will use this profile creation tool. Just click it here, and what's asking? Select profile view, create profile. So we can click select here anywhere. Okay. Then alignment name is telling. Profile name here I'm give just a layout. So we will remember it, layout. And come to down here, nothing you have to change, because it's the design. And complete label set, okay, no problem, not change, just okay. Then this tools are appearing here. What tool will you use here? Just you come to here, first one, draw tangents with curve setting, these things, but first two options are important for us. Draw tangents means it will be straight or angular. Draw tangents with curve, it will be create us with curve the layout profile. So which you want to do, you have to choose here. So in the railway track, I think draw tangent is the better for us. So just click here and come to our profile. As a designer, you think and decide how to minimize the filling and cutting. So let's go, we'll start. Mostly see this area is the much down, this area is much up. So from as this area we have to see, we create from here, then we go somehow like that. Okay, here we cover a half. So mostly here, then I come to direct here because it's covering the area. Okay, then we hit the enter. Now you see our layout is already completed it. And you see here what he's showing, grading slope, everything is there in labels. And start from here, then you see the grade, break, stations, elevations showing here. Now our the layout is the completed. If you want to change, you can change here. Now nothing problem. If you bring to down, okay. And here, if you want to change some things, no problem, you can change. But it's railway track, so we can't give to more bend. So if you will bring the down, it's not good. And here, if you want to change, I bring to here in 00. Maybe it's looking nice for the railway track. It's the straight. So layout drawing is there. A profile is there ready now, and we go once and click escape, then cross it here, close. Next we have to do, bring here the labels or bands. So how do we bring here? Just you click once here and right click, then go to profile, property view, come to here bands directly. Okay, two bands already we have, third band we bring to here and we give to name here. So this chainage already select here, then you click here. So no need to again edit style. So just you click copy current selection. Then come to information and you write here layout. So name is the changed. Description, as I told, if you want something you can do, or here I giving my name, this today date, everything is showing here. Civil 3D, this option is here. Band detail, nothing we have to change. And here nothing we have changed, just apply, okay. And here you come layout, then add and uncheck the all boxes. Okay, already added. What is the difference here? Here 00, otherwise it will be show the gap between the bands. So we just make it 0 and apply, then we have apply, it's okay. You see, third option is come here. And yesterday we didn't change here the elevation name, but this is change. This is the yesterday was this forget, and today is also forget. So we have to change these things. And here you see again showing the chainage, but we want elevation. The chainage is showing here. We want the elevation of the our layout profiles. So what we have to do, just click and right click, then go to profile view property, and you can change here. Otherwise you go to here, you can see here the layout. Okay, then select the edit current selection, go to compose. Then we have to change here these things. How do we change this chainage? Just click three dots, and here you have to just click and Control A and delete, and nothing is there. You can write now name, layout or what you want you can write. Just click apply, okay. So that things is the finished here. And what we want, just I want to show you, just okay, apply and okay. This name has changed, but this is not changed. How to change? Just click, go same place again. Here you can change from here, or you can, if you click here double, then this small pop-up appear, and click here and edit same things, huh? Then go to compose. Here you change just one things. Here just once you click, then three dot will be appear, then just you click here and click here and delete it here. Here is the suggestion value, but we want to our profile. मतलब first one the surface, second one elevation, second is a first profile elevation minus this nothing now, but second elevations, okay. And after point we need 2 digit. Just click here, it's appearing, just okay, apply, 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 okay, and okay. Now we have apply, apply. Again, it's changed the elevation from the changes to elevation, but this elevation is the same. Huh? But it's really not same now. See, this layout profile is here and the surface is the here. So how do it will be changed? Just once click and same procedure, the view property styles. Why not change? You come to here, profile 1 and profile 2. So here, which is the profile? Profile is the second. Go click layout. Just go click layout. Now you see apply, okay. It's changed now, है ना? It's changed now, you see. It's changed now, you see. 84 and measure you come to here 191.67, 191.5. Here 18, here 12. Here is the 191.3, 191. So now you see, this is the layout and this is the surface elevations. Already changed. This is. Okay. See maximum level, where is the changing? You can see this is this sitting in here, two places you see, and come to down and change 192.75, 191. 191 and 6 and 192.75. This is the difference between here in this places. Anywhere, any change from here to here, how much? Because our this grids are, you can see here the every 1 meter, 1 meter. So I think you understood and how to we create very fast these bands. And this is not looking good here. This is the not change elevation, surface elevation. So we want to change it. Okay, just once click and go to value, and here stations, one is the change, one other is the elevations. Okay, we change from here or we can change from here. Just a double click, and come to down and edit the current styles. Then go to compose, here change, just once click, then this three dot will be appear, and click to here, and this change, just control A and delete, and now you write here elevation, okay. Just click okay, apply, other all style will be same, just this name will be changed, okay and okay and okay and okay, you see now it's elevation. This is the chainage, this is the elevations, this is the layout. I wrote here elevation, you can write here surface elevations, okay, or you can write the existing ground floor, ground levels, anything you can write. So I think you understood about the layout profile. गाइस इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो, लाइक करो, बेल आइकॉन को आप ऑन करके रखो, नोटिफिकेशंस को। ये आगे आने वाले बहुत, ये तो जस्ट मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ ऐसा एक बेसिकली। बहुत हो गया, हम डिजाइन ऐसा करेंगे जिसमें रोड का भी एक पार्ट डिजाइन करेंगे, कैनल का पार्ट भी डिजाइन करेंगे, और भी बहुत डिजाइन करेंगे। डैम का भी डिजाइन करके बताऊंगा मैं आपको कैसे डिजाइन करते हैं, मतलब बड़े बड़े, मतलब क्या है कि प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में हम लोग आगे चल के बात करेंगे। तो अब जरूर सब्सक्राइब कर लो, बेल आइकॉन को आप क्लिक करके नोटिफिकेशन ऑन कर लो और बने रहो मेरे साथ में। अभी तो मैं क्या है कि आपको जस्ट ये छोटा छोटा एक बिगनर के लिए, क्योंकि मैं सबको साथ लेके आना चाहता हूँ हमारे साथ में, कि बहुत सारे लोग हमारे साथ में जुड़ जाए। जो लोग ऑलरेडी थोड़े एडवांस है ना, वो ही नहीं, मुझे तो अभी क्या है कि शुरू से मैंने काम किया, तो बिगनर लोग हैं, जो नए लोग हैं, जो नए लोग इस फील्ड में आए हैं, उनको सबको साथ लेके चलना है। तो अब जल्दी से जल्दी मतलब क्या है, सब्सक्राइब कर लो और बेल आइकॉन को मतलब आप नोटिफिकेशन ऑन कर लो। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।